Many of our commerce customers work with large product catalogs and across multiple sales channels. And we know from working with them that it can be very difficult to keep product information and product imagery up to date. Why is that?
Yeah, that's one of the biggest pain points that we hear from customers, and that's because product information and product visuals not just live in different systems, but they're owned by very different teams with different priorities, different tools, and different timelines, right? So you can imagine that once you're dealing with thousands of products across tons of different channels, keeping everything aligned manually becomes pretty much impossible, right?
What do these teams need in order to orchestrate their brand and their product content efficiently and effectively?
So the teams there need solid and governed workflows, which means clear ownership, clear approvals, and the confidence that once something is approved by someone, it will show up across the different workflow systems that they have. Brand teams want consistency, product teams want accuracy, and e-commerce teams want conversion. So getting all of those priorities moving in the same direction can get quite tricky if you don't have good workflows that make the difference, right?
So let's put this into practice. Let's imagine we have all our product visuals in Frontify. How do we then avoid things like inconsistencies or duplication once those assets start to move downstream?
When we connect Frontify with your PIM, you let each of the systems do what they do best, right? You use Frontify as your place where your assets are on brand, they're accurate, and they're approved, and you let the PIM stay the source of truth for the product information.
So we're essentially providing a smooth handoff between product and brand.
Exactly. Let's take a quick look at Akeneo, one of the PIMs that we integrate with. Let's open the Pizza Pie library in Frontify and update this t-shirt. We just got a refreshed product image. Once you upload the new version, we can switch to Akeneo and you'll see the image has already updated automatically. Akeneo pulls in the Frontify CDN link, so every connected system stays up to date without any manual effort. And if you need more control, this thing can also run through workflow approvals. Here in Akeneo, hovering over the product image and the CDN link attribute shows it's already pointing to the latest asset from Frontify. So whenever something changes in Frontify, Akeneo stays perfectly aligned.